Hello, welcome to Explorers Gen 79 YouTube channel. This video we will discuss details about piping to dimensional, isometric schematic and pipe spool drawing for intelligent, smart piping and instrumentation schematic diagram. Please watch video and YouTube. Link is provided in description. Fundamentals of 2D piping layout drawing. 2D piping layout. This method of piping layout drawing is called 2D single line drawing. To 2D piping layout. 2D piping layout drawings is used for preliminary to final details engineering and very useful for construction stage. Reading 2D piping layout drawing. Let's start from left side below. Piping elevation is marked L plus 1.00 with respect plus 0.00 floor level. From flange face to valve center distance 620 mm. X-axis, valve center to elbow center distance 1000 to 100 mm. X-axis, between valve and elbow pipe support S1 is shown. Between elbows center to center distance 1800 mm. Y-axis, at center pipe support shown as S2. Then pipe going to upward direction Z-axis not shown in 2D piping drawing. These details shown in piping isometric drawing. Piping elevation increased to L plus 2.50 meter. From 90 elbow to 45 elbow center distance 800 mm. X-axis, at center pipe support shown as S3. Between 45 elbows, center to center distance 500 mm. X-axis, pipe direction rotated 45 degree. Then 45 elbow to weld neck flange end distance 500 mm. X-axis, pipe support shown as 4. Feature of 2D piping layout drawing, piping length, fitting and valve quantity to calculate piping friction loss calculation to select pipe sizing and related equipment sizing, civil foundation work for equipment etc., steel structural work for pipe support, access platform and ladder etc. Select suitable type pipe supports, support location to decided based on weight and thermal expansion etc., piping clashing to check, between piping and pipe supports, valve and etc., piping penetration through wall and other floor surface location, to provide suitable opening for other electrical mechanical services etc. Coordination between plant civil construction, plant equipment, mechanical, electrical mechanical services, ensure installation works complete in time. Fundamentals of piping isometric drawing. Piping isometric drawings are essential in the field of engineering and design. To representation of a 3D piping system, which maintains the object's proportions and angles. Drawings are crucial for construction and maintenance in various industries, including oil and gas, power plant and electromechanical fields. Isometric drawings consist of elements. Pipes are shown by straight lines with size, length, and material. Fittings and valves are shown. Type of connection, support location is shown.
Isometric drawings consist of elements. Isometrics drawing use standardized symbols, making the drawing universally understandable. Piping isometrics are highly detailed and provide an accurate representation of a piping system, while 2D piping layouts are simpler, used for preliminary planning and concept visualization.
Piping isometric drawings are useful, visualize and communicate complex pipe layouts, bill of materials and cost estimation, ensure accurate assembly and installation, facilitate maintenance and repair, etc. Reading piping isometric drawing. Let's start from left side below. From flange face to valve center distance 620 mm. South, valve center to elbow center distance 1000 to 100 mm. South, between valve and elbow pipe support S1 is shown. Between elbow center to center distance 1800 mm. East, at center pipe support shown as S2, then pipe going to Z-axis direction upward. From 90 elbow to 45 elbow center distance 800 mm. South, at center pipe support shown as S3, between 45 elbows, center to center distance 500 mm X-axis, pipe direction rotated 45 degree. Then 45 elbow to weld neck flange and distance 500 mm south, pipe support shown S4. Plant north, east, west and south is shown. To identification pipe direction, pipe elevation, level shown with respect to floor level, plus 0.0. Bill of materials bulk, number 1, PIP A106B, ASTM, seamless, ASMES CH40, B36.10 size for inch. No 290 deg elbow short radius, ASTM A234, but weld, ASN EB16.9 and QTY for nose. No 3, 45 deg elbow short radius, ASTM A234, but weld, ASN EB16.9 and QTY for nose. No 4, valve ASTM A216 GOWCB, weld neck flange, class 150. ASN EB16.3 for and QTY for nose. Number 5, weld neck flange, ASTM, raise face, 150 class. ASMB 16.5 and QTY for nose. Number 6, gasket for flange and QTY for nose. Number 7, bolt and nuts and QTY 32, nose. Piping spool drawing is a detailed representation of a specific section of a piping system. It includes all the necessary information for the fabrication, assembly, and installation. Pipe spool sections. Spool 1 is 379 mm, spool 2 is 883 mm, spool 3 is 1496 mm, spool 4 is 1200 mm, spool 5 is 585 mm, spool 6 is 437 mm, spool 7 is 361 mm. Further flange, fitting and valve dimensions are shown. CAD software, computer-aided design software for creating accurate and efficient the followings: intelligent, smart, one-dot process, or piping and instrumentation schematic diagram. 2. Piping single-line drawings. 3. Piping to dimensional drawings. 4. Piping three-dimensional drawings. 5. Coordination with others plant services. 6. piping isometric drawings and generate piping, valve and fittings bill of materials, etc. 7. Further to generate piping stress and analysis calculation, etc. If you interest learn more about intelligent/smart piping and instrumentation schematic diagram, please check YouTube, link is provided in description. Thanks for watching Explores Gen 79 YouTube channel. Please subscribe, share, like and comment.